Hi everybody, Pat Huntoon here with Technique Junkies, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the autumn leaf cards that you saw at the beginning of the video. And the way I'm going to show you how to make them, you'll actually end up with 3 cards that are very similar. The grateful leaves, which is SD1199, they're 3 leaves and they are connected together. So they're connected like that, the 3 leaves. I am going to show you how to use all 3 of them and make 3 cards. However, if you are interested in me cutting them out, please take a note when you order. Just let me know that you want them cut apart, and I'll send you 3 separate leaves inside your package. So you'll get a grateful leaf, a thankful leaf, and a blessed leaf. So that is the grateful leaves. All right. We're also going to be using S975, All About Autumn, and we're also going to be using the Paradise Found Catherine Pooler collection, plus Rocking Red, which is from the Basics collection. The Paradise Found collection, they're minis that I sell, and it is on my site. However, I'm going to be using the regular size stamps because that's what I have open right this minute. So I'm going to be using Mandarin Spice, Sauna, and Eucalyptus. And let's get started. This is pretty easy. So the first thing you're going to do is stamp the leaves. If you have them all in one color, all like this, the solid, in all 3 colors, in Eucalyptus, in Mandarin Spice, and in Rocking Red. Let me do that and come right back to you. Color stamped, I have the Eucalyptus, and on this sheet I have the Rocking Red and the Mandarin Spice. And then the next thing to do is to cut these out. So let me cut those and I'll come right back to you. So as you can see, I have cut these, and they're very easy to cut out. They're just a bunch of quick, easy lines. And then I've sorted them into 3 groups where each of them has a thankful, a grateful, and a blessed. And let me show you what we're going to do next. Our next step is to take the All About Autumn, which is here, the All About Autumn stamp, and stamp it with the Eucalyptus. Now, I am using a piece that is 4 by, it's 4 by 5 1/4, so it's proportionately correct. And as you can see, the stamp is larger than that. So in order to stamp this, and if I need to re-stamp it again, I just take a little bit of temporary adhesive and I put it on the back of my paper before I stamp it. And I'm going to be stamping that in Eucalyptus. Let me stamp that and come right back. So now there's the Eucalyptus stamped background, and let's do some putting together here. So a couple of things I'm going to do that I think you've seen me do before is to actually use these ink pads as my color, to color my paper. So I'm going to be taking a 2-inch piece of paper, and I'm using the Sauna color, and I'm just going to be using that right across the background here just to create a custom colored piece of paper. Just 2 quick swipes. These are very juicy. It's very easy to do. Let me wipe that up quick. And then I'm going to be taking a 2 1/4 inch piece, and I'm going to be using the Rockin' Red, but I'm only using the ends on this, so I don't need to go all the way around it, all the way on the inside. So I'm just going to go around it, all the way around. Just creating, because a little bit of this is showing, there's no reason to ink up that middle and use up any more ink than I have to. So let me wipe that off. So now I have my background and this, and I will put them over this piece, and I will add 1 set of my leaves like that. And for my background, I'm going to be taking another piece of paper and using the red around the background the same way I did here. Let's create that background. I could use any of the colors, of course, but I really like the contrast with the red. So I'm just going to go around the edge with that. 1, 2, 3, 4 quick swipes and clean that up. So let's put this together. So I'm going to be putting my red background onto my card front, putting my stamped piece on top of that. And then finally my leaves. And that is how I made those cards. You can move these leaves around a little bit and have it be however you want it to be. You can also pop those leaves. And that's how we made that card, simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up on YouTube and consider subscribing to the Technique Junkies channel. Thank you for watching today. I'll see you next time.